you want to hide your last seen and online status on WhatsApp, in this video I will show you how to hide or how to stop people of seeing you online and see your last seen on WhatsApp step by step. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to WhatsApp app, as you see here. Then here in this page, you will find these three dots on above, so you will tap on them. After that, here in this list, you will find settings, so you will enter to settings. Here in this page, you will find this window of privacy, so you will click on privacy, and as you see here, you will click on the first window called last seen and online. So here in this page you will find both. You will find here who can see my last seen, so you can choose if you ever want your contacts accept, but to not or to stop no one see your online status or last seen, you will click here nobody. And also here who can see when I am online, you will click same as last seen. For example, if you tap on everyone, same as last seen, who can see when you are online, everyone can see you are online. If you choose your contacts, everyone can see your contacts. Your contacts can see that you are online. But if you tap nobody can see your last seen and you click here on same as last seen, it means nobody can see that you are online. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.